All right, so let's start off the video with killing some rumors and speculations. This is not a crypto market crash. The crypto market is not crashing. This article talks about this. I found a couple more articles talking about the crypto market crash. It's like, oh, we all need to whisper. Down 2.4% is not a crypto market crash. $2.36 trillion market capitalization. In the last 3 or 4 days, this number right here went from $2.44 trillion to $2.36 trillion. About 80 billion is gone from the market capitalization. Is that good? No, not necessarily. I'm just going to say, but I'm going to give you the reasons for what is going on in this video. And I just wanted to address this up front. This is not a crypto market crash. We have profit taking going on. We have uncertainty around the upcoming US presidential election that's going to happen on Tuesday. We have other things going on, but not, I repeat, not a crash. Okay. So let's take a look at what is going on in kind of the overall macro scenario here. We did get the October jobs report today, and the U.S. added only 12,000 jobs. The Boeing strike and hurricanes weighing on the labor market. You guys have probably forgotten already, maybe, that we've had a massive hurricane. A couple of them hit the United States, and that's disrupted, kind of created a very murky landscape as far as the U.S. labor market goes. The expected number was 100,000 jobs to be added, and we only added 12,000. Now, one thing interesting here I want to share with you, and I want to show this on the side here. So the Dow just opened as of the recording of this video, and it's up 246, and the NASDAQ's up 112. So you can see this over on the right above my image there, 246 and up 112. So the stock market is already shaking off this jobs report and already basically saying it's not a thing. Okay. So I'm letting you know that it was a miss, 12,000 jobs added instead of the 100,000 expected, but it's turning out to not really be a thing right now. Okay. So what is going on today? And there's some high impact events sparking market uncertainty. I agree there is market uncertainty. I've talked about this in plenty of videos. We've got one this you may not be aware of. We have end of month options expiring, and there's $2 billion in options expiring today, Friday. Okay, so that's part of the reason you're seeing a little bit of a drag on the market right there. And we've had what I've been talking about. Institutional investors have been putting money into the market in before this last 3 or 4 days, where we saw the market move down and lose that $80 billion in market cap I was telling you about earlier, right? We had institutional investors coming in. The ETFs, let me share that with you. See right here, yesterday's Bitcoin ETFs were positive for 32 million. But the interesting thing about this, and Bitcoin ETFs are a pretty good barometer of kind of mainstream United States and mainstream world view of crypto, right? So BlackRock had a 318 million of inflows, but the other guys, Fidelity, Bitwise, ARK, and GBTC, had outflows. Okay, and so there's a lot of money that flowed into BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, but the net of that was we only really had a positive gain of 32. We had money moving out. Now, is this people moving money between different ETFs? Possibly, but more importantly, it's money moving out of the market just for the short term. Okay, so that's something you needed to know about. And then finally, more investors have accelerated profit taking. I mentioned that at the top of the video. We've had profit taking. So if you kind of take a look at what's going on, we've got a mixed bag. I think ultimately it is uncertainty around the U.S. presidential election. Yes, I know that Trump is forecasted to win right here with 61.6, but hey, we don't know until we know. All right. And that's the issue is, people are, when there's uncertainty, what do people do? They pull their money back, they sit it on the sidelines, and they wait to see what is going to transpire. Okay. So a couple different views of what's going on. This is Bitcoin's chart. You can see right now up in the upper right hand corner, we're on a sell alert from, this is my trading indicator, by the way. This gives you insight knowing when to buy and when to sell. You see right there, we've issued a sell alert. But to give you some perspective, there's a buy to a sell, 12% move up. Sell it, don't take that loss. There's a buy to that sell, another 5 or 6% move up. Obviously, Bitcoin doesn't move that fast. Let me give you another view. Here's Radium. We all know who Radium is. They are the exchange. Decentralized exchange on the Solana side. In 14 days, it's a buy to a sell, a 68% move up. And the software will tell you exactly when to buy and when to sell. 68%, $1,000 bought would have made you a profit of $686. Okay, you can see that. So if that's something you're interested in, links in the description below, or if you're watching this on X, it's above me. It'll take you to this page where you can pick up the software. There's a discount code down there or up there, depending on where you're watching this as well. They'll take the software $1 a day. The quarterly option is the cheapest, and there's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. Said a different way, you get to try the software for really free for 30 days. If you don't like it, you get a complete refund. This is the thank you page that you see after you've joined, and everything is outlined here. There's like 8, 9 videos that walk you step by step how you set everything up. The cool thing about what the software does is you can set it. It runs on any iPhone or any Android phone, and you can have alerts. Like literally, I'll wake up and I'll have an alert, and like, okay, it's time to buy Solana or buy Radium or whatever it is. I'll buy it, and then I'll wait for that sell alert to come in, just like this one, and make that 68% profit. And I teach you how to do everything you need to do. In fact, I'll show you like right here. There's the video on how to create alerts. It's like 9 minutes long. Everything's there for you. Give it a run. I'll see you later. Bye.